Hello everyone, I am Saurabh, an assistant teacher of English at Sangli High School, Sangli. My friends, I am here to tell you about our program called By the Students for the Students. In this program, we create videos of our textbook lessons with the active participation of our students. The concept of this program is very interesting. When students learn with their fellow students or friends, then learning becomes more effective, interesting and relatable. My friends, before I move ahead, let me tell you when I conducted this program for the first time. So, when I was working with the New College Kolhapur, at there I took same program and it helped a lot, and I am sure that it will work here as well. So finally, my main purpose, my main objective behind this program is to provide a platform to our students. Thank you. Hello everyone. Now we are going to start our journey with 8th standard. Our first 4 students will give the stanza wise explanation in English as well as in Marathi, and our last student will explain all important words of the poem. My friends, in today's video we will learn the first poem, Be the Best. This inspiring poem is written by famous American poet Douglas Malloch, who is also known as Lumberman's poet because of his simple and powerful style of writing. So let's begin this journey with the beautiful poem Be the Best.
Hello guys, I am Dhananjay and I am going to tell you about the first stanza. In a first stanza, poet wants to suggest us if you can't be something big or great like a pine tree on top of the hill, then it's okay. Be a something like a scrub or bush in a valley. But whatever you are, be a best. म्हणजे जर तुम्हाला मोठे देवदाचे म्हणजे पाईन ट्री बनता नाही आले तर गवताचा छोटा तुकडा बना, पण बना. तुम्हाला ओढ्याच्या काठावरचे झुडूप बनता नाही आले तर झाड तरी बना, पण बना.
Hello guys, my name is Srushti and I am going to tell you about the second stanza. In the second stanza, the poet wants to suggest us if you can't be a bush, then be a small piece of grass, but be someone's path happier or better like a highway. If you can't be a muskie means a big fish, then be a bush. Bass means a small fish, but be the most active and happy one in the lake. जर मीनिंग इन मराठी, जर तुम्ही झुडूपही बनू शकत नसाल तर गवताचा एक छोटा तुकडा बना, जर रस्ता सुंदर करेल. जर तुम्ही मोठा मासा होऊ शकत नसाल तर छोटी मासळी बना, जी तलावाखालील सर्वात चपळ व जिवंत म्हणजेच आनंदी असेल. थँक्यू.
Hello guys, I am Tanush and I am going to tell you about the third stanza. So let's start. In the third stanza, the poet wants to suggest us that everyone can't be captain means leader, but no matter, we can be crew means helpers and contribute in our work. But it's okay because every person has a role to play. Some work is small and some work is big, but no matter, all work is important. In Marathi, it means आपण सर्व कप्तान होऊ शकत नाही, पण मदतनीस म्हणून आपण काम करू शकतो किंवा कामात मदत करू शकतो. कारण कोणतेही काम मोठे किंवा लहान नसते. प्रत्येक काम हे आपुलकीने व प्रामाणिकपणे केले पाहिजे. धन्यवाद.
Hello guys, I am Shruti and I am going to tell you about fourth stanza. So let's start. In fourth and last stanza, the poet wants to suggest us if you can't be the highway means big road, then be a trail means small path but be useful. If you can't be the sun, be a star means small things are also shine in their own way. Success doesn't depends on how big or small you are, but it is depends on how you do your work. In Marathi, जर तुम्ही महामार्ग बनू शकत नसाल तर छोटीशी पायवाट बना. जर तुम्ही सूर्य बनू शकत नसाल तर तेजस्वी तारा किंवा चांदणे बना. यश अपयश तुमच्या लहान मोठ्या आकारावर नाही तर तुम्ही किती उत्तम काम करतात त्यावर असते. थँक्यू.
Hello friends, I am Tanishka and I am here to discuss some important words from the poem Be the Best. So guys, let us start. Now our first word is scrub. Scrub means an area covered with small low plants म्हणजे झुडूप. Now our second word is reel.
रील मीन्स अ स्ट्रीम म्हणजे ओढा. नाव अवर थर्ड वर्ड इज मुस्की अँड बास मीन्स नेम ऑफ फिश म्हणजे लहान व मोठा मासा. नाव अवर फोर्थ वर्ड इज स्क्र्यू. स्क्र्यू मीन्स सेलर हू वर्क ऑन अ वर्कशिप म्हणजे जहाजावरील कामगार. नाव अवर सेकंड लास्ट वर्ड इज लीजर. लीजर मीन्स अनइम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे कमी महत्त्वाचा. नाव अवर लास्ट वर्ड इज ट्रेल. ट्रेल मीन्स अ नॅरो पाथ म्हणजे पायवाट. थँक्यू.